Alright, the sound won't be great, but I promised myself in 2020 I'd record more. So, just got a new breakdown workshop for my eWaste business. Come on in. We'll do like the MTV Cribs. We'll get some music. So, what you're seeing is really rough. It got dropped off a couple weeks ago and had some mold in it. So we had to go back and forth with the company, but in the meantime it was raining and I had to get out of my storage units. So I've got the insulation in kind of halfway up on both sides, and I'm going to be doing the walls. You can see the plywood there. I'm going to be doing all shelves on this side and all breakdown over here, and then I'm going to have kind of an office corner nook over here. We installed some lights. We'll have an outside light, inside light, and then a fan. It's going to be like an exhaust fan in the top corner there. So we had to get a electric box and whatnot. So I'm going to put a little desk there with a computer so I can do my eBay stuff as well. I've got my photo booth here for my materials that are working order, or boards or whatnot that can be easily sellable. This is kind of my temporary workshop while I'm working. I'm also breaking down, because the more I break down, the less that I have to store. And I've got 2 more storage units, huge storage units full of stuff. But it's a 40 by 14 foot barn that was pre-built and delivered. It's a pretty good deal, other than the mold and having to deal with them. This is a drum set that I just picked up at the thrift store. But nothing right here is how it's going to be probably next time you see it. I'm going to document my process as much as I can, but it's a total mess, and I don't really know where everything's going yet. So I haven't really worked that out. But I'm in love. I named her Barnabus. So she's my first real investment into the eWaste business, into the eBay resellers business. Just found that. Oh, what is the name of that? Liechtenstein or something. But anyway, so this is the Barnabus. Wanted to introduce y'all and, really focus on trying to make more video content, better content, to be able to teach you everything that I'm kind of going through. Little things that I'm learning. We'll be, mostly learning about backyard urban mining. The e-waste business, kind of a kind of small startup e-waste business, how to manage your getting new materials, right? How to process, how to market your business, how to use the web, the power of the web, to rank in SEO for e-waste, electronic recycling, urban mining, things like that. Ad buys, Facebook pages, setting that stuff up for your business. I mean, it can still be a backyard hobby, right? You don't have to register as an LLC. If you're just doing it small scale in your backyard and you're not really, working with clients in any dangers, you don't really need to be insured. Leave in the comments if I'm completely wrong, but right now I'm just kind of advertising and marketing myself as a hobbyist and a person passionate about reducing waste, and keeping the environment as non-toxic as I can. And this isn't even a fraction of a dent, but it's meaningful to me. I'm making a difference where I can. That's less lead, less mercury, less everything toxic is going into the ground in the landfills. And it's a fun way to make money, a little extra income. I don't know how much money it's gonna take, but we'll see. I'm gonna give it a try. I've been at it 6 months, and I've been in the collection phase. Hence why I'm making this investment now, instead of working out of a storage unit. But anyways, so yeah, this is the rough stuff. I'm taking out this loft once we're in here, because I think we only need one loft. If I ever need it back, I can easily kind of put that back. I don't know if they see how moldy these are. I mean, it's just ridiculous that it showed up like this. But I might use these crossbars for storage. Haven't decided yet, and I'm going to keep that loft. I just have lights on this side for right now, but yeah. All right, thanks. We will be checking in, and later, scrappers.